Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you how to go live in decentraland, and I show you how to link your wallet, because with a linked wallet you have access to all the businesses there. You can buy land, you can sell it, or you can rent it out, and you can create your own assets and you can sell them there. Everything I show you after the intro. I really like it to play with this metamask fox. You can see here he's follow my mouse. Okay, after the metamask plugin is installed in the browser, we have this first steps here. Just accept here, and we don't have, if you don't have any metamask account, then you choose the right side here. We open a brand new account, and then we choose a password here. Repeat it and checkbox, we read all the conditions. And there's a video, and this video shows you the next important step. Just follow the steps in the video. It's for security reason. And after you watch the video and you continue, then there are your security keywords, okay? And these keywords you have to save and never tell to anybody. Okay, I have hidden them here, and then if you continue, then it comes to the next step. Good, and then we can open decentraland. We go to join here. No, we do not download decentraland now. We are log in. We are using in the browser. Okay, then play using your wallet, continue, and metamask, and then you see on the right side the metamask is open, and just continue here. Understand, and then it's been connecting. And next you click here on signing. This is a digital signature. And these decentraland assets are loading. And here we go. Now we can start creating our character. This is my personal character, you know, because I'm live now, and now I can choose the color from the peel here. Let's make some cool hair. That looks a little bit strange, but maybe this or this one. Yeah, that looks great, I think. Let's have a look here. This is a little bit crazy. I think this one is good. Let's go to the eyebrows, and you can change the color from hair, beard, and eyebrow. I think this looks great. That seems like me. And then let's have a look for some eyes. Yeah, these eyes are looking good. You can change the color here. And then the beard style we can choose here. Okay, they don't have too much options here. This is For me this is too much, but okay, we can use this now. And let's choose some cool look here. Look, this is like Super Mario. Okay, maybe this, or that looks cool too. Or this one. Okay, that looks cool. Let's choose a cool pant. Maybe this one, or it's a little bit strange on the button. Good. Then some cool shoes, maybe this one. Good color. This is too much blue. Not today. Now some cool sunglasses. That looks great. Let's try this one. Yeah, very cool. I think this one. Okay. Good, then let's choose a nickname for the avatar. Okay, under this name you can find me now. Then give your email. Next up. Yes, I agree. And let's get in. Yes, got it. Now you can see, now I'm in here. I'm in the metaverse with my real character, with my personal character. And now I can do everything. I can buy land, I can do everything I want here. In my next tutorials I will show you some more what is possible in Decentraland, and I also show you how you can create your own assets and something like that. Now I'm really curious. I think I will jump inside of the pool and have a look what we can do there. Alright, here we go. And let's jump. Oh, just hanging here, I can't move. Wow! Yes, now I'm in another world here. There's a guy. You can speak with him. Hello. I think this is just something who tells me some instructions what I can do here. Yes, thanks, I don't have time now for you. Look, what is this? Alright. Okay, I see. We cannot explore Decentraland in just a few minutes. Now you know how you can get in, and just try it out. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next tutorial. Bye!
Oh, 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 oh.